It's 2024 already, and almost 90% of the world hasn't yet built a reliable passive income source for themselves. If you're one of them, don't worry, because this video will give you 10 ideas that can be implemented right off the bat, giving you access to strong plans of action. And yes, these ideas aren't the age-old ones, but those that are actually making teens earn as much as the CEO of a corporate giant. So let's not waste another moment and get right into business. Number 1. Short-form content creation. In a world where attention spans are shrinking, short-form content has become the gold standard. In fact, platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels crave it. So think about launching your short-form content service, whether it's on TikTok, Reels, or concise blog posts. Identify your niche, targeting businesses and influencers for affiliate content creation. Also, make sure to craft evergreen content, ensuring a continuous stream of passive income through commissions or royalties. Number 2. Student templates and cheat sheets with AI. Help students succeed and earn by crafting useful templates and cheat sheets. To get started, you can use tools like ChatGPT and Notion AI. Just find what you're great at, choose a specific audience, and create content that really helps them. You can also sell your stuff on your website through ads or platforms like Etsy. Your knowledge plus these tools can give students what they need and bring in a steady income for you. It's a win-win. Number 3. Digital real estate broker. I'm sure you've never heard of this one. Digital real estate market is where domain names, websites, and online businesses become lucrative sources of passive income. Just like traditional real estate, the digital world offers valuable properties waiting to be acquired. Invest in sought-after domain names, build and optimize websites, or purchase online businesses. As these digital assets appreciate, their value grows, and you can profit by selling, leasing, or monetizing them. Number 4. Data aggregator. Now this is where the real money is, the realm of ethical data aggregation. As a data aggregator, your role involves responsibly collecting and organizing customer data, ensuring privacy and compliance. Companies hunger for accurate insights, making your curated database a valuable commodity. Ethically selling this information to businesses provides them with targeted marketing opportunities, while you earn a passive income stream. But remember to strive for transparency, prioritize privacy, and transform data into a mutually beneficial asset, creating a sustainable source of passive income without hurting the data participants. Number 5. Algorithmic art creator. By using algorithms to generate unique and visually appealing artworks, you can tap into the growing demand for digital art. Develop your artistic algorithms, creating pieces that captivate audiences. Monetize your creations by selling them online through platforms like Etsy or as NFTs on blockchain marketplaces. You can also become an AI art provider on freelance platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. As your algorithmic art gains recognition, it can become a perpetual source of passive income, blending technology and creativity in the ever-evolving art landscape. Number 6. Meme page admin. We now live in a world where humor can also become a source of passive income. Building an audience through memes is surprisingly accessible, as platforms like Instagram foster quick and shareable content. Take inspiration from successful pages like Memzar or Pubity, showcasing the potential for massive followings. Once you've amassed a dedicated audience, monetize your reach through brand partnerships and ads. Brands are eager to tap into the humor niche, making meme pages a playful yet profitable avenue for generating passive income. Number 7. Dropshipping analytics. You already know how cliched dropshipping as a passive income source is, so why not take advantage of it? By using advanced analytics tools, you can streamline and automate the process of tracking sales, inventory, and customer behavior for certain products, and then you can sell those insights to dropshippers. This approach allows you to market your ability on identifying trends, adjusting pricing strategies, and pinpointing the most lucrative products, all contributing to a more successful and passive dropshipping venture. Number 8. AI-generated audiobooks. This source is a game-changing fusion of technology and storytelling. By leveraging advanced AI capabilities, you can produce popular audiobooks without the need for human narrators, ensuring cost-effectiveness and scalability. The potential for reaching varied audiences across genres is immense, making this innovative approach a promising avenue for a passive income stream. As the demand for audiobooks continues to grow, tapping into this market with AI-generated content presents an exciting opportunity to not only explore niche genres, but also meet the evolving preferences of a broad audience. Number 9. Membership-only job boards. This one's getting popular by the day. By curating a community of professionals within a specific industry or niche, such job boards offer a tailored and premium experience, for both job seekers and employers. Job seekers gain access to a refined pool of relevant job listings, ensuring quality over quantity. Employers get a targeted audience of motivated and qualified candidates. With a small joining fee, you can make big bucks if you're successful in reaching the masses. Finally, number 10. Day planner books. Capitalize on the demand for organized living by selling day planner books. These planners are not just notebooks, they're practical tools for people to manage their daily lives. Craft designs that are visually appealing and functional, including sections for to-do lists and goal setting. Once done, sell the same on popular online marketplaces. With many individuals valuing the simplicity of a physical planner, your products can meet their needs, potentially creating a reliable source of passive income for you. And that is it for this video. We hope to see you execute the idea of your choice and help yourself with a reliable source of passive income. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe for staying updated with our future uploads. We'll see you next time. Till then, keep earning.